Right, yeah, just a video now, based on my previous video, the previous short, YouTube short. Now, in the States we've got a holiday weekend, or holiday week part, but in the UK we don't know when their holidays are in the States. If you trade the markets in the States, you find out if you're in a swing trade, your balance will change, and when they're on holiday in the States, in the stock market, it won't, because they're not open. And if that's the case, if you balance market open, you've got pre-market. Some people trade the pre-market. I just trade normal hours. Or market open. But after 2 till 4 o'clock. But yeah, so what I do is I go on like the previous video shows, I go on to, if my day trading, if I'm in a swing trade and my day trading balance has not moved up or down, gapped up or down by 20 to 3, usually the market in the States is closed, and the way I find that out is one, that the balance hasn't moved, changed up or down, and two, if I Google the Dow Jones, because Dow Jones is like the FTSE in the States, the FTSE, but it's the States version. So just type in Dow Jones, D-O-W Jones, J-O-N-S-E, J-O-N-E-S, sorry, Dow Jones, and it's in market, it's the industrial average, Dow Jones, whatever it is, yeah, it's the Dow Jones. That will move if the stock market in the States is open. That will move, and what will happen is that, let's just say I typed in Dow Jones into Google at 8 o'clock in the morning in the UK, when the market in the States isn't open, because it doesn't open until 2:30, well, apart from pre-market. But so 14:13 in the States, sorry, 14:30 in the UK is when it opens. Yeah. But let's just say I type in Dow Jones into Google at 8 o'clock in the morning UK time, before the market would open anyway in the States. It would have a complete full chart, like if you look at my previous video, it shows that. Because the market is closed. It would be at 8 o'clock in the morning in the UK, the States market would be closed. So if that still is a full complete chart at 2:45, say, 14:45, when options would have actually changed your balance. If you're in a swing trade option trade, your balance will have changed up or down. If you actually had it open overnight, stop loss or whatever, it doesn't really matter. If that hasn't happened, and you've typed it in and it's still got a full chart on the Dow Jones, it means the stock market in the States is closed. But what you can tell if the stock market in the States is open, basically, because if you type in Dow Jones into Google and it's not a full chart, which means it will tell you roughly where you are. So basically, at 14:30 PM in the UK is 9:30 AM in the States. So let's just say you typed it in at 6 o'clock in the evening, UK time. You'd have like half a chart, half a Dow Jones chart, not a full Dow Jones chart, because the stock market would be open. And if you just watch it, it moves. A couple of minutes like this, it moves. Every minute or so it moves. So because of the full chart, it doesn't move, it means the stock market isn't open. If that helps you. So today, stock market isn't open because it's got a full chart, and that means I've got a day off, because I won't trade the UK. I don't trade the UK stock market. Can't bother with it, because the stocks, I'm already in the swing trade in the States market, so I've already got my risk in my account balanced for the States market. So by trading the UK market while still in a swing trade in the States, means I'm adding risk to my current balance, because my swing trade, when the States market reopens again, could gap down, and I could even lose a few trades this afternoon if I trade the UK stuff.